Here in the United States, it is coming up to the deadline for filing our personal income taxes of April 15th. And I've always done my taxes myself, but I'm not a qualified tax professional or investment professional or accounting professional. So this can't be advice in any kind, just simply portraying what it is I've done in all the decades I've done my own taxes for my wife and I. And when I get done and I find I owe any kind of money to the federal government or the state government, I try to see if we've got any discretionary funds left over that I can then apply to an individual retirement account. It's a traditional one, not the Roth IRA. And that one is deductible up to a certain amount depending on how much our income is. And if we're under a certain amount, I can actually deduct much of that contribution off my taxes, so much so that not only do I not owe to the federal government, but I actually have Uncle Sam giving me money. So in my book, it's maybe putting thousands of dollars into a retirement account to save $100 or a couple $100 in federal taxes. But to me, I'm paying myself from right pocket to left pocket, however you want to look at it. I'm paying myself and I'm getting money back from the government. So I just want to remind it to anyone out there that's in that same position. I know it's hard to have that extra cash, but if you do, give it to yourself, put it out for your retirement in a retirement account, and you can do it up through April 15th, even for the previous year. So as long as you make that contribution for the previous year before the April 15th deadline, you can basically I file it as if I'm going to do it, and then I finally make sure I follow through and do it. So I find out how much I calculate the deduction will be, and I make that be my contribution. Just wanted to pass it along because I know I've said this to a few folks, and sometimes they're taken aback by that, or they think it's too late. And I just want to make sure you know you've got till the April 15th. You mean setting up an account if you don't have one might take a few days or so, so you need to kind of get moving on it. But you do through April 15th, you can make that contribution for the previous year, maybe save yourself from having to give Uncle Sam a check, and they might actually have to write you a check. Just want to let you know because I found it works in real life. Take care.